Here are 4 main advantages of plant-based baking. 1. Health benefits: nutrient-rich. Plant-based ingredients are often rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Lower cholesterol, reduces intake of saturated fats, promoting heart health. 2. Environmental impact: sustainability. Plant-based baking reduces carbon footprint and conserves water resources. Biodiversity encourages the cultivation of diverse crops, supporting ecosystems. 3. Dietary inclusivity: allergen-friendly, often free from common allergens like dairy and eggs, making it suitable for those with dietary restrictions. Vegan-friendly, naturally aligns with vegan dietary choices, broadening appeal. 4. Culinary creativity: ingredient variety, encourages experimentation with a wide range of fruits, nuts, and grains. Flavor innovation allows for unique flavor combinations and textures not found in traditional baking. Please subscribe to my channel for more such tips. Visit the link in the description to know more.